myself, Reena Patel, for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 5, biofuel hydrogen, lecture number 11. Okay, and today we discussion about the topic is various properties of hydrogen, then this layout of this hydrogen car, and also the storage and transportation of hydrogen. Let we start. First topic is properties of hydrogen. Means there is a two types of properties of hydrogen. First is chemical properties, means physically properties of hydrogen. Physically properties, which physically properties of hydrogen? The first point is color, means it is a colorless gas. Okay. Then second is phase, it is a gas. The liquid is changed from this gas to convert the liquid at temperature minus 255 to 2 degrees Celsius temperature, and the liquid at solid form at temperature at minus 259.2 degrees Celsius temperature. It is a part of phase. Also the odor, it is an odorless gas, then tasteless gas, and also the density, means the density of this gas is like the 0.089 gram per liter, means in terms of all gases. It is a part of density. Density means what is the density? Mass per unit volume. Okay, and the last is solubility, means slightly soluble like this water, alcohol, and other common liquid. It is a simple these properties, means physical properties of hydrogen. Then second topic is what is the chemical properties, means properties of hydrogen. Chemical properties of hydrogen. The first is oxidation. It is hydrogen is highly flammable with air. Means the concentration this volume is 7 to 25% in this volume of hydrogen. Means the chemically reaction is like twice H2 plus O2 is converted to twice H2O. The first is oxidation, means hydrogen is likely hydrogen with air, means oxygen to react water is converted to water, means oxidized element the chemically reaction, oxidation reaction twice H2 plus O2 is converted to twice H2O. Then reactivity gas, means the reactivity gas is hydrogen and nitrogen. It is a chemically reaction to produce ammonia, and the other is carbon monoxide to produce a methanol. Okay, it is a part of reactivity with gas. Then third point is reactivity non-metal, means which type of this non-metal, like this sulfur and phosphorus, also the chlorine, fluorine, and bromine and iodine act, means it is a part of reactivity with non-metal. Then also the flammability, means highly flammable, is compatible of all gases. Okay, it is a part of flammability. And like this combustion, means it is a dense of all gases. Means also the acid compound. Acid compound, which type of gas? Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid. It is a part of acid compound. So it is a various different types of these chemical properties of hydrogen. Okay, so for we discussion about these properties of hydrogen. There is a two types of these properties of hydrogen. First is physical properties of hydrogen, and second is chemical properties of hydrogen. Okay. Then another point is layout, means layout of hydrogen car. Okay. So first you can see the diagram of this layout of this hydrogen car. Means hydrogen car is a hydrogen fuel on board fuel motive power, means hydrogen fuel space like this space rocket as well as automobile and transportation vehicle. You can see also this diagram of this hydrogen car. Okay, means the fuel cell main part is hydrogen plus oxygen. You can convert this water. Means chemical hydrogen fuel cell car is the chemical energy converted into mechanical energy. Means is reacting with oxygen to produce this water and provide provide this power electrical motor. It is a part of chemical energies convert to mechanical energy, means hydrogen reacting with oxygen to convert this water and to provide this power and electrical motor. Okay, means the same car of different gasoline engine car is different from this hydrogen fuel cell. Means the modern, traditionally modern methods, some difference like this same fuel as burned as a gasoline engine car, but main difference in gasoline engine car is the exit product is carbon dioxide plus water vapor. In hydrogen only there exit product like this water, only water, because the fuel cell means hydrogen plus oxygen to convert to react the water. It is a simple layout of this hydrogen car. Okay. Then next point is storage of hydrogen. Means storage of hydrogen. There is different types of storage of hydrogen. First is automatic onboard hydrogen storage. First one is compressed hydrogen. Means hydrogen storage. Compressed hydrogen is a storage. Hydrogen is like this. Under this pressure is high energy density. Means the fuel tank like this 350 bar to 750 bar. Okay, it is a part of this compressed hydrogen, this stored hydrogen at high storage density. Second point is liquid hydrogen. Means the liquid tank like just like this BMW. This BMW, this liquid hydrogen like 7. It is a part of liquid hydrogen. Then proposal and research. Means chemically and physically. Means physically storage like this hydrogen molecular storage, and chemically this hydride is storage. It is a part of proposal and research. Then also the chemical storage is high storage bonding, this performance of this hydrogen and this high storage density. It is a part of chemically storage. Okay. Then also the metal hydride, means metal hydride like this allow of solid compound is reacting with hydrogen, is reacting with hydrogen gas. Like this under this pressure this gas is released, means hydrogen hydride is heated and hydrogen is released. Means the release is the gas under this kept pressure and temperature is depend. Okay, it is a part of different metal hydride. And also the non-metal hydride. It is a non-metal hydride. It is part of room temperature. It is easily available for hydrogen storage. Then also the carbohydrate and synthetics. Okay, it is a storage of hydrogen. Then what is the transportation of hydrogen? Means transportation of hydrogen. The first is hydrogen transportation is like pipeline. Pipeline is a different location at pattern of design. Means hydrogen transportation is pipeline at different location. Means it is a natural gas. Is similar energy to the hydrogen storage. Means hydrogen like 12.1 mega cube per meter and the natural gas is like 24. Okay, so it is a density per mass. It is a transportation of like pipeline. Then also the liquid hydrogen transportation, and also the you can see the metal hydride transportation. Means the solid metal allows like this transportation of this metal hydride. So today we discussion about which topic? Chapter number 5, hydrogen. Okay. So first we discussion about this properties of hydrogen. Okay, properties of hydrogen. Now first you can discussion about this physical properties and chemical properties of hydrogen. Physical properties, so you can see this color, colorless, odorless, tasteless. Then also the density what mass per unit volume means density is 0.0899 gram per liter dense of all gases. Okay. Also the solubility test means like the solubility test like this water, alcohol and other common liquid. Alcohol you can use either methanol or ethanol. Then various chemical properties, acid compound, then oxidizing, then metal. Okay, different types of these chemical properties of gases. Means main is the hydrogen is highly inflammable with air. Means with react with oxygen. Means twice H2 plus O2 is converted to twice H2O. Then second point is layout of this hydrogen car. the main gasoline car and hydrogen car is main difference is exit product. Means gasoline engine car is exit product like this carbon dioxide and water vapor, and hydrogen is only water vapor, the main difference. Okay, then also the hydrogen storage and transportation. Okay, thank you.